Why use EasyFs financials over Excel to prepare financial statements? The best way to understand this is to look at the difficulties and challenges that are faced when preparing financial statements using Microsoft Excel, which can be overcome when prepared using EasyFs financials. Some of the common issues faced when preparing financial statements using Excel can be broken down into two categories. The first category is the functions that are more complicated when done on Excel, such as classifying accounts and having ready access to the classifications when preparing the financial statements, passing of adjusting entries, inserting new notes, managing note numbering, formatting paragraphs along with tabular information, and the added complications when it comes to formulas that are referencing many spreadsheets. Achieving the above is more complicated when done on Excel in comparison to EasyFs financials. The second category is to do with processes that are more difficult or cannot be achieved in Excel, like automating page numbering and adding a table of contents, adding page and section breaks, headers and footers, maintaining consistency in formatting tabular information, and the overall formatting of the final report. In addition, Excel does not have a rollover function for rolling over financial data for the next reporting period or the ability to create templates. Nor does it enable a consistent approach when preparing financial statements, and it does not maintain a good audit trail in regard to adjusting entries past how the accounts have been classified or how the classifications have been used in preparing the financial statements. Developing and maintaining the above functionality using Microsoft Excel would be difficult even if it was possible. That is why using a software specifically designed to prepare financial statements will make the process easier and more efficient. This is in addition to EasyFs financials providing a better formatted final report. That ends the high-level reasoning for using EasyFs financials over Microsoft Excel when it comes to preparing financial statements.